Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. We got the Scrambler in the paint booth finally. I got to do some welding, and then we're going to get straight into the whole entire painting process. Got to still grind everything. I got Doug here. There's Doug. Doug is a YouTube viewer. I don't even know how long it was I met you, Doug, but
a few years now.
It was a few years. Doug is in today, and he's helping me. He's going to give me a hand getting the body off, and then we're going to try and get this on a rotisserie. My rotisserie is set up for 2As and 3As and 5s, so we're going to have to make some modifications to that to get the Scrambler body on there. But we're going to lift this off the chassis next and get busy. Okay guys, I normally don't have a second guy to get the tubs off, but Doug's here today, so we'll use him. Here we go, getting the body off. Go ahead, go for it. Go ahead, that's just a clamp. Are those handles coming up through?
Oh, not yet.
Got it?
You're clear of those.
You good? Okay, a little bit more. Yeah, we can slide the chassis out.
We have a lot better connection here.
Okay guys, got it on the rotisserie. I've got a lot of welding to do. These panels aren't in yet. They're just held by Clecos. I've got a lot of welding. And then we're going to put some epoxy primer. Then we're going to start the seam sealing. There's a lot of steps to taking something from a raw build to the finished product. So hang in there with me. Okay guys, body is on a rotisserie, chassis is back on the lift. I've got to put the automatic transmission lines in here, get the radiator mounted. I'll probably just use an old grill to get this engine fired up. And I have to, let's come back here. This is where I left the exhaust. We're going to come out just beyond the rear tire here, turn it down and out, and we'll get the chassis finished up. We'll get the engine fired up, make sure everything goes good with that, and as time allows we will start welding and finishing the body. That's what makes it tricky when you work alone. There's plenty of work here for different people, different abilities and stuff, but like I say, I just never been able to find somebody that wanted to do this kind of work. So, you know, while I'm in here doing engine work and stuff like that, I just never found anybody to do any sheet metal or paint or body work. So, working as fast as I can on everything, trying to get everything finished up, and you know, it just takes some time. So hang in there, Scott. Doing the best I can on this. Making progress as I can. So that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure and hit the like button, subscribe, share the videos, and we'll catch you on the next one. And as always, thanks for watching.